Suppose you work in the healthcare industry and you want to inform someone about global HIV statistics. The question arises, how do you make them understand a lot of data? Sharing reports is one option, but plain information is often hard to grasp. Another effective option is sharing a concise, meaningful infographic to visually represent the data. The impact of an infographic is evident when all of the principles of design and communication are followed. Gaining mastery in the art of designing infographics is not impossible. All you need is the right information. And today we're going to talk about this. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, we're talking about how to create infographics for large data sets and lengthy reports. Let's dive in. In order for an infographic to be effective, you have to show the data, not just tell it. Avoid including too much text in your design, as people generally don't enjoy reading lengthy and boring statistical information. Instead, focus on visually representing as much information as possible. This leads to the concept of unity, which mainly comes in two types: conceptual unity and visual unity. Conceptual unity relates to content elements, while visual unity pertains to design elements. For instance, when creating an infographic, it's crucial to think through how to present the information in the most logical and cohesive way possible. Take a look at this infographic. Notice how the content aligns with the visual elements. Clearly, the designer considered both conceptual and visual unity. The end result is a cohesive and easy to understand infographic. You can also achieve unity in more complex designs as seen in this example. Despite the mix of real-life images and illustrative graphics, this infographic is cohesive because the key elements all align with the theme. This infographic is an ideal example of unified design. The designer utilized similar shapes, colors, and textures, placing each element with care to create a visually pleasing and harmonious composition. If you're struggling to achieve a cohesive feel in your designs, Venngage can help. Whether you're creating an infographic, presentation, business plan, or any other form of visual communication, get a head start with a Venngage template. With a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and a vast selection of professionally designed templates, you'll be creating unified designs in no time. To achieve design unity, follow these key principles. First, begin with a clear vision and purpose. Clarify the purpose and key message of your design before starting. Create an outline to organize key points and maintain conceptual and visual unity. Second, use proximity to establish connections. Group elements closely to convey their relationship and guide the viewer's understanding. Utilize proximity for a clear visual hierarchy as demonstrated in mind maps. Third, align your elements or sections. Employ alignment to establish relationships between different parts of your design. Choose between aligned or unaligned elements, but maintain consistency for overall unity. Fourth, make use of repetition. Strategically reuse elements throughout the design for cohesion. Repetition of shapes and symbols across pages or sections creates a sense of unity. Fifth, experiment with different techniques. Explore additional design principles such as rhythm, movement, and balance. Rhythm and movement can be achieved through color alternation or dotted lines. And that wraps up today's video. Try creating your own infographics with Venngage for free. Make sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next one.